You're welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. This video I'll be showing you guys how the new WhatsApp features that has been introduced in this year 2023. Now, before you can use this new features that I'm talking about, you just have to go to Play Store and check if you're using the latest version of WhatsApp or not. So all you have to do is that you just open your Play Store, and as you can see, I've already updated mine. So this is what I've seen open. But if you see update, it means that you're using the old version, so you just update to the latest version. Now after that, you just have to open this. Okay, so after you update it, you just open, and it will take you to your WhatsApp. So this is the new feature that WhatsApp has introduced. So I'll be taking you through the new feature that is there in the status part. Okay, initially we were using the keypad one, whereby you just have to type whatever you have to say, so by typing. Okay, so WhatsApp has introduced this new feature that is the recording part of it. So this time we are not going to type. All what you have to do is that you just hit here to record whatever you have to say, and then that you just leave it like that. So when it happens like this, and you can play, okay, you can play for you to hear if it is okay for you. Then if it is okay, you just click here to send it. So this is how the new WhatsApp updated feature is all about. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.